The Deubener Award was a big honor. The family-owned business category is the award we won, and having been a family-owned business since 1956, and having it been owned by my family since 1985, it was quite an honor. We've gotten to know people in the chamber really well the last few years. We've enjoyed being part of the chamber. So it was quite special to hear our name called on the stage that night. It gives us the confidence and a good feeling to know that what we do and what we've been doing for all these years matters. And it gives us confidence for the future too, to know that these 85 employees we have in 6 locations, that we obviously are on the right track. We've been growing, things are good, and to get that award just kind of was a good pat on the back to say, hey, good job. At the end of October, we partnered with Inver Grove Toyota on their Feed My Starving Children meal packing event. It was a really fun day. It was on a Sunday, and there were a few different meal packing times. It was a great way to get involved in the community and to be able to help people around the world. The communities we've served for so long, it's important for us to give back, especially to the high schools and to the athletic teams.
These programs need money, so we're definitely willing to help. We both played sports growing up, and so we know that it's not getting any cheaper. So anything we can do to help these communities out.
We've repaired 3 vehicles and donated them to local veterans in need. It's through the National Auto Body Council's Recycled Rides program. So our most recent car we donated was repaired at our Hudson, Wisconsin location and donated to a veteran that was from Western Wisconsin. And it's been a really valuable and meaningful project at Heppner's to be able to help these veterans out with providing them with a reliable, newly repaired vehicle.
Our shops have really stepped up and our vendors have really stepped up to donating their time. Vendors have donated parts and materials and paint supplies. So everything's completely donated to repairing these vehicles, even the vehicle itself from an insurance company. So it's what we want to do for local veterans that are definitely in need of a vehicle replacement. We are ICAR certified, so in our industry, that requires a lot of training. I think as an entire company, we spend well over $30,000 just in ongoing, reoccurring training. If we don't stay on top of our job knowledge, we're not going to be able to keep up and repair these cars properly. We'll be taking students out of tech school, putting them through our training program, which will hopefully get them into our shops faster and earning more money themselves.
We've been very lucky to recently hire a lot of grads from Newgate Technical School in Minneapolis. We've had people from Century College, Dunwoody in Minneapolis.
We have good relationships with the tech schools. We're on advisory committees for these schools, so we can help advise them what these students need to learn. So that's just part of building the relationship. It helps us get them the proper training that they need and get them employed through us, hopefully.
We have the 6 locations. There's 2 in St. Paul. We're here at the East 7th Street shop. We also have the Midway St. Paul location that's been there since '56. Then we have 2 shops in Woodbury. One's off Radio Drive, one's on Wood Lane Drive. We have a shop in Inver Grove Heights, and then we also have a location in Hudson, Wisconsin. We do value every single customer that comes in our door, no matter if the damage is very small, very minor, or huge. If it was a big head-on collision, we will take care of them and get their car back working as best as we can and back to pre-accident condition, no matter who the person is, no matter what car it is.
you.